Okay, last problem of the night. Now this says justify your reasoning, but I don't think you can do that yet. I think at this point it might be better for me to show you, and then we'll just talk about what the end is. But it says what type of number is the product of two complex numbers that differ only in the sign of their imaginary parts. So let's just make one up. I think this is the best way to do this. Let's go with the blue. Let's go with 7 plus 3i. Now it says, what type of number is the product of two complex numbers that differ only in the sign? So, if I set up another complex number, the only difference that I'm going to make is that instead of it being 7 plus 3i, I'm going to make it 7 minus 3i. 7 minus 3i, because now the imaginary parts of the two complex numbers are differing in their sign. One's positive right here and one's negative. So now we're going to take the product, which means we're going to double distribute. So we're going to multiply the top, and then we're going to multiply the bottom. And I have room on this page, so I'll just do it all right here. So the green part, let's go green, will be 7 times 7, which is 49. And then 7 times negative 3i, which is negative 21i. You guys always ask me why I curl the I. It's because my 21 and my I look so much alike that I'm going to make it a little curly I. Now switching over to red, we go back to the red part. We have 3i times 7. This is going to be a positive 21i. And then positive 3i times negative 3i is going to become negative 9i squared. So you're going to remember from one of the videos before, we had an I squared, and that came out to be negative 1. So since that comes out to be negative 1, when I take care of the negative 9i squared, that's really negative 9 times negative 1, which we should all know, negative times a negative is a positive, and 9 times 1 should just be positive 9. Then we're going to be combining like terms, so these middle two terms are going to have to be combined because they both have an I. And what's a negative 21 plus a positive 21? I. That's going to be 0. It's going to cancel each other out, and you're just going to have a 0 there. And of course, we have 49. So if you add these together, 49 plus 9, you're going to get 58. I did that in my head. I'm pretty smart. I'm sure you guys did the same thing. So now, if you look back at the beginning of the question, what type of number is the product? It says, what type of number? What type of number is 58? Well, I'm not going to answer that. I'm going to let you come up with an answer, and then you're going to send me a message with that answer. What kind of number is the product of two complex numbers? By the way, we're going to get to this. I'll probably mention it in class, but these two parts of numbers, or these two complex numbers, are called conjugates. Oh man, how am I spelling it? Conjugates. Which all that means is they're the same number, but different signs. All right, we'll talk about that tomorrow. So answer that question, send me a message, and that's it for tonight. Enjoy your TV and your sleep. See you in the morning. Bye.